Right now, here you have Shashi Tharoor and his comments not boding well with the Congress. Day after day, it seems to be getting a lot more clear that the Congress is very unhappy with Shashi Tharoor, that he's been, in a way, praising the Modi regime after Operation Sindoor. Congress MP Shashi Tharoor stirring up another political storm, this time in Panama. In a public event at Panama City, Tharoor appeared to endorse India's post-Uri and Balakot cross-border strikes, praising the Modi government for sending a strong message to terrorists. He said, and I quote, "They now know there's a price to pay." He's even suggested such strikes that were conducted by the Modi government were unprecedented, drawing a contrast with the Manmohan Singh era. Let's listen in.
But what has changed in recent years is that the terrorists have also realized they will have a price to pay. On that, let there be no doubt. When, for the first time, India breached the line of control between India and Pakistan to conduct a surgical strike on a terror base, a launch pad, the Uri strike in September 2015, that was already something we had not done before. Even during the Kargil war, we had not crossed the line of control.
Now, that comment did not come down well. Back home, the Congress communication chief, Pawan Khera, responded with a quiet but pointed reminder, posting an old clip of Manmohan Singh confirming UPA-era surgical strikes, where he said, the caption basically simply tagging Shashi Tharoor and says, "No words needed."
पहलगाम के आतंकवादी हैं, उन्होंने 4 आतंकी हमले कराए हैं 18 महीने में। आज वहाँ यहाँ वहाँ घूम रहे हैं, हमारे सांसद भी यहाँ वहाँ घूम रहे हैं और आतंकवादी भी यहाँ वहाँ घूम रहे हैं। तो यही तो गंभीरता से हम ये सवाल पूछ रहे हैं, इन सवालों का जवाब नहीं देते हैं। बीजेपी सिर्फ कांग्रेस पार्टी को निशाना बनाती है।
Well, you heard senior leaders, Jairam Ramesh, Udit Raj, they all came down to express their disapproval for what Shashi Tharoor has said, accusing Tharoor of trying to distort facts and drifting off message. And just to make things more awkward, an excerpt from Shashi Tharoor's own book, The Paradoxical Prime Minister, is now doing the rounds yet again. In that book, Shashi Tharoor appears to have slammed the Modi government for shamelessly politicizing, these are the words used, shamelessly politicizing the 2016 strikes. That's the same strikes that Shashi Tharoor goes on to praise now. Now, BJP, of course, unsurprisingly lapping up this. Shehzad Poonawalla calling it honest admission by Shashi Tharoor, saying that Shashi Tharoor is only acknowledging what the world already knows.
पहले अपने सांसद को ही, थरूर साहब को ही एक प्रकार से कटघरे में खड़ा करना, और अब सभी सांसदों के विषय में, मतलब कनिमोझी जी से लेकर सुप्रिया सुळे से लेकर राजीव राय से लेकर मनीष तिवारी से लेकर सभी सांसदों के ऊपर जो उन्होंने टिप्पणी की है, ये बेहद निंदनीय, आपत्तिजनक है और यही पाकिस्तान चाहता है।
So was it a slip or a signal? Either way, Shashi Tharoor's Panama praise has reignited the Congress's internal friction and raised new questions about where he really stands.